Hi there, my name is Mike McNary, and I want to welcome you to the special edition of Perfect Internet News. Now, today we're going to be talking about the newest star in the PI galaxy. It's called the Perfect App. Now, on the 1st of October, the Perfect Internet celebrated the launch of the Perfect App and the Perfect App Cash program. And even with the age of mobile internet that has just begun, nowadays more and more devices are connected to the internet, and it's not only desktop computers and laptops. Even watches, cars, TVs, mobile phones, and sometimes even microwaves. The internet, it's all around us. And therefore, the management of PI decided to create an app that would bring all the advantages of the perfect internet to the mobile world. Combining this app with a global opportunity to get paid simply for using this app is creating a brand new and never done before way to explore the internet. Instead of offering more and more different apps, it's our goal to create one highly customizable app to fit the needs of every user. Now, between today and March 1st of 2014, we will add more and more features based on the feedback from our hundreds of thousands of members. It's your app. Make it perfect. Now, the first version of the perfect app is for the desktop PCs and laptops, and because here we find the perfect environment to test functionality step by step, more and more versions of the perfect app will be launched, and based on the testing results and the upgrades that we do from this first version, it will develop from there. And one thing's for sure, the most loved feature of the perfect app will be the PA Cash program. And that's going to pay every single user simply for using the perfect app and for inviting other free users. And each time when you're using the app, your so-called cash factor will go up, and whenever one of your invited members, 5 generations deep, is using the app, your cash factor will grow as well. Now, once per month, for the first time mid of November 2013, your last month's cash factor will be converted into cash points, and you can select if you want to spend your money online or if you want to have it credited to your PI debit card. There really is no obligation. There's nothing to sell. There's nothing to buy. No job to do. The PA Cash program is global, unlimited, and free forever. So no matter who you are, no matter where you live, the perfect app is your chance to change your life. What are you waiting for? Register right now for free. My name is Mike McNary for Perfect Internet News.